Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: your registered mobile number, CIF or account ID, and login credentials. Once done, open the official City Union Bank app or net banking and sign in. Immediately navigate to Security Settings or the option labeled Activate MFA to start. Make sure notifications are enabled so the bank can reach you. This first step establishes your identity and opens the MFA setup wizard. Follow on screen prompts to proceed to the method selection. Next, you select the MFA method, SMS auth, an authenticator app, or a token if available. If you pick an authenticator, scan the displayed QR code or manually enter the secret into Google Authenticator or similar and store backup codes offline. For SMS auth, verify the registered mobile number shown and update it if needed, then request a test OTP. Make sure the device name and contact are accurate. This ties the second factor to your account and prevents lockout. To finish, input the test OTP or the authenticator code to verify the setup and press confirm to finalize activation. Once completed, log out and log back in to confirm that MFA prompts appear and that transactions or settings require the second factor. If verification fails, make sure your phone's time is synced accurately, update the Authenticator app or bank app, and retry. If problems persist, contact City Union Bank support with your CIF to resolve registration or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.